Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be putting some smoked bologna on the grill. It ain't smoked yet, but it will be after we get done cooking it. But anyways, we're going to show you what we put on it and what kind of bologna that we ended up getting. And we're just going to put them on the grill here, cook them for about 4 or 5 hours, and see what we got. So my grill's already preheated to almost 350. Showing 340 on that. But we're going to start laying our patties on here. This is how thick we've cut them. We're just going to lay them on there. We're going to show you these seasonings that we used. So these are the only 2 flavors that I put on there. Seasonings, I put a Cajun spice seasoning and a barbecue Memphis smoked seasoning. Got these at the IGA, probably about $1 and some odd cents. You use what seasoning you like. Now, I did turn the grill down to about 250. I felt like 350 was a little high. So, anyways, we got it on the grill now, 250. So, 3 hours, 250 degrees. And this is what we've got. About an hour ago, we put some barbecue sauce on both sides. Ooh-wee. Can't wait to dig into that. Now, I know I hadn't said until just now I thought about it. This is Fields brand bologna from Walmart. I've always been a fan of Fisher's bologna, but this right here is just as good, if not better. This comes in a roll. I slice it up into these pieces, and anyways, we're going to give it a try here. Still hot. This is one of the crispier pieces because it was small. Still delicious. Love it. If you haven't ever smoked bologna, you need to give it a try. I recommend Fields bologna. If you like Fisher's, I love Fisher's. This stuff right here, you're not going to go wrong with it. Put you whatever seasoning you like on it. It's going to be delicious. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you until the next video. Thanks for watching.